Why do some yards look random, while others immediately feel stylish, cozy, and orderly? In this video, we will break down simple techniques that help turn an ordinary plot into a place where you want to relax, welcome guests, and simply enjoy every corner. If you need a calm corner for evenings, take this idea. A round patio, benches along the edges, and one expressive accent in the center. A narrow brick path becomes the main accent of the garden, while wooden cuts along the edges give it a natural look. A wooden garden house with a living green roof looks like part of nature, not a separate structure on the plot. An idea for a natural-style garden is to use branches and vines, not only for fences, but also for creating a shady resting area. Tall wooden posts and a stone sculpture create an expressive entrance accent that immediately makes the plot stand out among neighboring houses. An idea for barbecue lovers: a separate garden house protected from wind and sun while preserving the atmosphere of open summer relaxation. A neat lawn with a wooden zigzag border looks modern and immediately gives the garden clear geometry. A retaining wall made of wood cuts and natural stones looks organic. It holds the slope and at the same time serves as a decorative accent. Here, practicality is combined with design. A tall flower bed holds the soil and hides a small storage niche for the lawnmower. This technique works well for herbs, berries, or flower beds. It is easy to maintain, and the plot looks much more organized. Metal retaining walls create clear geometry, hold the soil, and allow you to place more plants even on a small plot.
We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.